basil, also known as Tulsi. It is a great herb to grow. You can grow it just like you do the mints and the basils. So, according to the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine, holy basil has an antidepressant and anti-anxiety property comparable to diazepam. 500 milligrams of these leaves or the extract per day decreases anxiety, stress, depression, and increases social being. So before you use it as medicinal purposes, you should consult a physician. These are just what I found in the research on it. I just use it in my teas and in food to cook with, and also if it goes to blooms and then to seed, it smells so great, and it's a great bee pollinator, so it's just good to have in the yard even if you don't use it. But I found so many benefits to it. And so if you drink it as a tea using leaves daily, or you can also drink it that way because it's caffeine free, and the act of drinking tea is calming and ritualistic and fosters clear thoughts, relaxation, and a sense of well-being. The flavor of this Tulsi is that it's bitter and spicy and can be in the form of an alcohol extract instead. And if you get it, you have to be careful of your source. And when it's in the natural form, such as an herb, it has less contamination than in other forms. It stimulates and vitalizes your body. Holy basil is high in antioxidants and helps body detox. It protects against toxic chemicals and may prevent cancer by decreasing growth of cancer cells. It protects against infections and wounds, and the leaf extract boosts healing speed and strengthens the area of your body. And holy basil is antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, anti-inflammatory. It's an analgesic. It has pain relieving qualities. It increases the wound's breaking strength. That means how much pressure or weight the wound can take before it breaks. Holy basil helps with healing time and contraction of the skin. It works against infections, wounds like mouth ulcers, keloids, raised scars, acne. It lowers blood sugar. Pre-diabetics and type 2 diabetics, holy basil decreases blood sugar, and it prevents symptoms such as weight gain, hyperinsulinemia, excess insulin in the blood, high cholesterol, hypertension, insulin resistance. If you take holy basil to treat things, take it by mouth for about a month. It can lower cholesterol. Holy basil targets metabolic stress and increases weight loss and decreases cholesterol levels. Rabbits that ate holy basil leaves were found to have lower fat molecules, so the lower LDL and higher HDL, the bad cholesterol. And the oil in holy basil, eugenol, lowers stress. So, the oil in holy basil, eugenol, lowers stress-induced cholesterol levels. If The decreased total cholesterol in the kidney, liver, and heart of rats in a study with and without diabetes after eating holy basil leaf powder was observed. It eases inflammation and joint pain. Holy basil tea leaves may decrease stress, anxiety, and inflammation. It's an adaptogen with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It may help with arthritis and fibromyalgia. It protects your stomach. Holy basil counteracts effects of stress-induced ulcers. It increases the stomach's defense by decreasing stomach acid, increasing mucus secretion, increasing mucus cells, and extending the life of mucus cells. Many drugs for peptic ulcers have side effects and may cause discomfort. 200 milligrams of holy basil extract decrease the number and index of ulcers significantly in animal studies. Holy basil is beneficial in protecting against infection, decreasing blood sugar, decreasing cholesterol, decreasing joint pain, and protecting the stomach. Holy basil extract or pill is suggested in 300 to 2,000 milligrams per day for preventative purposes. For treatment use, 600 to 1,800 milligrams are suggested per day. It may be used in supplements, topical ointments, holy basil essential oil, distilled from leaves and flowers, tea from leaves, flowers, dried leaf powder, or you can just eat this raw or cooked, which that's what I do. So holy basil is also available as an essential oil. It's a safe use product where it's safe to use if you just use this, plant form rather than using the pills and extracts, unless you know that it's from a good source that's all natural. But holy basil is wonderful for your well-being and for your overall health, and I highly suggest it. And the scent is just wonderful. I mean, it is just as wonderful, if not more, than that of Thai basil. Thank you for watching.